Here's a tasty tip using fresh raspberries. I'm going to show you how to make some jellies. And we're going to start off with some juice. Now, I've got some pear and strawberry juice, but you can use whatever juice you like. I've actually tried this recipe with guava juice, so it's a really nice combination with the raspberries. So that's 500 mils of juice, and we're going to bring it up to the boil. And to make this 100% vegan, to set this instead of regular gelatin, I'm going to be using agar-agar. Now, agar-agar is a derivative of seaweed, and it does a fantastic job at setting anything just like these jellies. So this is about a teaspoon, and we need to just bloom this slightly. So I'm just going to add some of this juice in with the agar-agar, and then give that a mix so it dissolves. And now that that's quite smooth, we can add it to our hot mixture. So turn the heat off, and just with a whisk, just going to mix that in so the agar-agar dissolves. Now, you don't want it to be grainy, so give it a really good whisk. Okay, done. Now, in small glasses, I'm using 1/2 cup capacity glasses. We'll add our berries. You can use strawberries, you can add a mix of blueberries and blackberries. I just love this gorgeous pink colour against the pale pink juice that we're using. So top them up, because essentially we're just using the jelly to set these fresh berries. Okay, now I'm just going to pour this juice over, and look at this gorgeous pastel colour. So cute. Fill them up almost all the way to the top, just allowing some of the berries to poke through. And then these go into the fridge to set. They're going to take a couple of hours. You can see they're small, so it won't take too long. Okay, the jellies have set. How good do they look? I just love how those raspberries are just floating in that juice, perfectly set by the agar-agar. And because they're so delicate, I was in the mood to put them on a plate with a doily. Why not? The kids are gonna love these, even the big kids love it too.